Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring UNice hair. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this. So today I got an Amazon UNice wig. This is a 6x4 side part water wave bob. I have this in 14 inches, but it's available in 10, 12, and 14. All the links will be down in the description box, and if it is available on YouTube shopping, it'll pop up here on the screen. So I love this because it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Everything is done for you. It's basically another bye-bye knots, but this is perfect for the summer. It's very lightweight, very carefree, easy to install, beginner friendly. You don't need glue at all. The fit on this is perfect. If you took note of the inside of this wig, it has the updated strap, so that adjustable strap is not just in the nape. It goes all the way up to the temple, so you're able to cinch your drawstring. You have an adjustable strap that goes all the way up, so that's going to make sure that the wig lays flat, especially by the ear tabs. That is very important when it comes to glueless wigs. So I'm just going to spray this down. I don't even melt this because the lace is so good it disappears with one layer of spray, and then I just use my rat tail comb to tap that in. Now I'm using my continuous spray bottle. I'm going to wet the hair, not drench it, because I want to keep this voluminous, and then I'll add a little bit of mousse. And I was literally ready to go. I like scrunched it a little, but this look is absolutely gorgeous. I love how this is so easy to install. It literally took me minutes. It did not take much longer than this video to install this wig. And it is reasonably priced. So as I stated, all links are down in the description box. So I'm just going to install this. Any and all products used will be down below. I will pop back in a little while. There'll be like some on-screen talking. That is really it. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest. Let me know what you guys think about this. I will be adding this to my UNice hair playlist because, baby, I have tried so many wigs from them. They are definitely a go-to. Did I mention that this is available on Prime? Yeah, you can get this in 2 days. So check links down below. Shout out to UNice for sponsoring this video, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this to dry, because I put a little bit of mousse, I put water, mousse, and a little bit of oil. I don't want to do too much because I don't want it to be flat. I still want to have like volume. So while it's drying, we're going to get into these specs really quickly. So this is a natural black side part 6x4 drawstring lace wig. I have this in 14 inches. This comes in a 10, 12, or a 14. The 10 inch starts at $107. The 12 inch is $121, and the 14 inch, which what I have, is $137. And this is available on Amazon, and it does say that it is available via Amazon Prime. So that's 2 days, baby. The texture on this one is a water wave texture. This is 250 density. Pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached, but this is drying, and I think it looks real good. Yeah, as it dries, it fluffs up. So yeah, this is my water wave bob from UNice. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I will see you in the next one.